Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply. This video is to bring you a closer look at the iPhone number it's their part number 217080. It's a replacement push button for their intercom system. That's what it looks like in the packaging. I have one removed here. Let's take a look at it. A momentary switch, obviously. Access to the paper that's behind here is probably just simply best accessed by pushing right down in here, and at that point you'll be able to pull the paper back and literally just slide it out. A couple of basic dimensions of this item. Overall width, about 2 3/4. Overall height, about 13/16. Obviously it snaps into place. A couple of hook retainers here, and it'll just pressure fit right into place. Okay. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the iPhone products that we sell, but also a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. If you have any questions on the Aiphone 217080 replacement push button for their VCM intercom or any other Aiphone product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.